Okay guys, soy Moses from Learning Python Dinada. Actually in this session I'm going to show you how you can fix a problem of installing packages in a Python visual environment created in a Linux. Possible you're facing one of the two error. The first error might be OS error, which is related to permission, and there's a second error which is the package you are installing are installed out of visual environment directory. Okay, so what causes this is actually the permission of your visual environment. The folder itself, subfolder, and the file within visual environment directory are not writable. So we are going to fix it by adding more permission. Okay, so here we're going to say sudo. So we're adding permission for our visual environment folder. Before we install packages, let us list the installed packages in a visual environment. Python 3 installed packages in visual environment. You can see no custom packages installed in a visual environment. Let us try out to install after changing the permission of our visual environment folder. After that, you can see Django is successful installed in our visual environment. Let us list out the installed packages. You can see Django is successful installed in visual environment. So actually this is an end of our today's session on how you can fix the problem of installing packages in visual environment. So thank you for watching. Asante sana. Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Muchas gracias. Muito obrigado. Not forget to subscribe so as you can be updated once we upload some masterpiece or amazing video like this. Comment, share, subscribe. Thank you. See you in the coming session.